Okay, boys and girls, so now we're going to go through the kindergarten math packet for May 11 to May 15. Again, I'm doing things on the computer, but if you are doing a paper packet at home, you can do the same thing. So here are the directions. It says type your final answer in the green box on each page. Follow these steps to add your answers. You move your mouse over the green box and click in the box, and then you can type your final answer. Then click out of the box when you are finished typing. And then you repeat those steps every time in the text box. So again, those are for you who are doing it on the computer. If you're doing it on paper, you can just use your pencil and fill in the work. So here on this top, there are different websites that you can click on. If you're doing it on the computer, you should be able to click on these links, or you can just go and type these links into your computer or phone or tablet, and it'll take you to these different videos. There's also a 120 number chart. So if you click on that, you should be able to open that up so that you can see a 100 chart that goes up to 120. Okay, so it says, what day of the week is today? Today on May 11 was Monday. What is the date? Write the date. So we're going to click here. And when it turns blue, you can write 11. Type in the number 11. Okay. What was the date yesterday? So the date yesterday was May 10. What will the date be tomorrow? May 12. Let's count up to 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then count backwards from 11. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here it says trace and write the number. So if you're using a paper packet at home, you can write the number 11. If you're typing on the computer, we're just typing the number 11 into each box. So here we're practicing the number 11. So if you're doing this on the computer, I want you to also take a piece of paper and practice writing the number 11. Now here we're filling in the number before and after. So what are the numbers before 11? Okay, 8, and then 9, and then 10, 11. The numbers after are 12, 13, and 14. Go down to the next page. Shape review. Circle the triangle. So if you go onto the triangle, you should be able to draw a circle. Or maybe they didn't give us. If you're doing this on paper, you should be able to draw the circle. Here, we can't really draw anything, but we can make the box smaller and then type an X next to the triangle. See where the X is? How many sides does the triangle have? Let's count the sides of the triangle. 1, 2, 3. Triangle has 3 sides. How many vertices or corners does a triangle have? So let's count the corners. 1, 2, 3. 3 corners. Draw 3 triangles in the box below. What you can do if you're able to is come here for shape. And then let's see, I can find triangles. And then I can draw, make them smaller. You can do that if you're using the paper packet, you can go ahead and draw your triangles. If you can do this on the computer, you can. If you can't, that's okay. Miss Pineda was showing you how she would do it. I know it's a little bit harder. I don't know if you have the ability to do this on your computer or tablet. But there's Miss Pineda's 3 triangles. Okay. Counting and writing numbers. Count and find how many and write the following numbers. So here is some practice. Okay, have a student count to find how many. Then draw a circle around the tray with the correct number of strawberries. Write the number with each picture. So let's count the strawberries in this tray first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So there are 20 strawberries in this tray. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 strawberries in this tray. So the number is 6. So they want us to circle this tray, and you can see they already circled it for us. The next number is 9. Let's count the strawberries in these trays. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is the tray that has 9 strawberries. To draw, I'm going to use this, and then I can draw my circle. If you have paper, you can go ahead and draw on your paper. If you have the computer, you can't do that, but you can try the way that Miss Pineda just did. And then you would write the number 9 there. So let's see. Here's the number 18. Let's count and see which one has 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So that's the one that has 18. Again, I'm going to go to my squiggly line. I'm going to draw my circle. And then I'm going to go to the text box. And I'm going to type the number 18. Here is the number 15. Let's count and see which one has 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Well, the first one that I counted has 15. So I'm going to circle the first one and then go to the text box and type the number 15. Here's the number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, the first one that has 4. So I'm going to go to my squiggle. Ooh. I'm going to circle the 4, and then I'm going to go to the text box and type in the number 4. Here it says draw 20 circles. So now we have to draw some circles. So I'm going to go here again to shapes, and I'm going to find the circle. I'm going to put a circle, but that's really big. So I'm going to make it small. I can never fit 20 circles there. Let's see. Make it small, and then I'm going to copy and paste. There's 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7. I'm going to take this one and put it up here. 8, 9, 10, 11. It's not easy to do this on the computer, but I'm trying, and you guys should try too. Remember, if you're at home and you're doing this on paper, all you have to do is draw your circles. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I'm going to move this one. That was 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I drew my 20 circles, and then I can go into the text box and type the number 20. Here it says, count the shapes below and write how many you counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go into the text box, type the number 6. Here's only 1. Go to the text box, type the number 1. Let's count the stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now we're going to type the number 18. Okay, now here is May 12th. What day of the week is today? May 12th was a Tuesday. What is the date? Write the date. So the date for it is the 12th. What was the date yesterday? Yesterday was May 11. What will the date be tomorrow? Tomorrow is May 18. Sorry, May 13. Let's count up to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's count backwards from 12. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now here it says trace and write the number. So you're going to click and type the number 12. If you're doing it on paper, you're tracing the 12 and writing the number 12. And remember, if you're doing this on the computer, I still want you to take a piece of paper and practice writing the number 12. Fill in the numbers before and after. So before comes 9, 10, 11, then 12, 13, 14, 15. Here it says circle the rectangle. So here is a circle, a rectangle, a triangle. I'm going to use my squiggle line, draw a circle around the rectangle. How many sides does a rectangle have? Let's count the sides of the rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. A rectangle has 4 sides. Then it says, how many vertices or corners does a rectangle have? 1, 2, 3, 4. The sides are the straight lines, and the vertices are the corners are where the sides touch. Draw 3 rectangles in the box below. So Ms. Pinedo, come up here, shapes, pick a rectangle, and then I can put a rectangle there. Oh, that looks more like a square, but I can make it look like a rectangle. If you can do this on your computer, go ahead. If you can't, it's okay. If you are doing, if you're doing it on paper, you should be able to draw your rectangles on paper. Okay, there's number 2. And then I'm going to put one more rectangle right here. So if you can't do this on your computer, I don't want you to worry too much about it. Try your best. On the next page, it says, write one more than the picture shown. So here are 1, 2, 3, 4 frogs. One more is 5. So here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more, if you drew one more, it would be 8. And then you can type your number 8. 1, 2. If you draw one more, it would be 3. So type the number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Draw one more, and we would have 9. Now I wonder if I can. Oh, I can make them a little bigger. Look at that. Uh-oh. I know what I did. Hold on. Hold on. Miss Pinheiro accidentally deleted the text box from her digital copy. I just want to make these a little bit bigger for you. And I did it again. Silly Miss Pinheiro, I did it again. I can make this bigger. And then put the 8 there. And if I can make this bigger. Oh, there you can see 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I draw one more, that would be 7. And see, Miss Pinheiro is learning how to do this on the computer, just like you guys are. Here it says, does that say Maria has 5 pets? Her family gets one more pet. How many do they have now? So if she has 5 and then she gets one more, you can draw those in the box if you want to. Draw 5 and then draw one more. And that gives us 6. So now she has 6 pets. Let's go to the next page. One greater or one more. Read each word problem. Okay. Jim has 8 apples. Amy gave him one more. How many apples does Jim have now? So if he had 8 and then Amy gave him one more, he would have 9 apples now. Trying to make this bigger for you guys. 9 apples. And we see that 8 plus 1 equals 9. Eight plus 1 equals 9. I'm sorry. Draw a picture below of how many apples Jim has now. So if you have your paper packet, you can draw 9 apples. Or if you're doing it on the computer, you can try using the squiggly line. 1. I keep having to go back. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. I just copied and pasted those so I can move them around. If you're doing this on the computer and it gets a little bit messy, do not worry about it. Miss Pinedo will figure it out when she's looking at them. Mia had 13 soccer balls. Tom gave her 1 more. How many soccer balls does Mia have now? So 13 and 1 more. How many is that? 13, 1 more, 14. So here we're going to write our number sentence. What number did she start with? She started with 13, and then Tom gave her 1 more, and now she has 14. Okay, and if you want to draw that picture here, you can do that. Miss Pinedo is going to post this video, and then tomorrow she will continue with the rest of the days of math for the weeks 11 through 15 of May.